Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveller Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Hagasi palay jagatayo Myntri Rangbah Kajala Begalaya Ukadat Kisaba, Leit Jurip Egathan Mawdiangdiang, Mawpat, but Mawkasiang, but Petu La Dela de but Pynkynriah no Ega Secreterait, but Kiwiki Ophis Sorkar Chakategathan. Habakran Biklapatai Kubor Hadian Ganiga Jinjurip, Ukondot Ulong Baka Sorkar, Kaibiang ya Mawpadang but Mawdiangdiang Nakabanta but Pynkynriah Yagi Ophis Sorkar. The Barla Kumnuru Durka Bekachaka Kabahe Kaba Arspa Arpo Ekar. Uloru Baka Sorkar can pay. Radar kalat kalinti but Piaso Eka Shillong, Barkategathan.
To see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land, we have two options in front of us. One is in the Mawpadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us, and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administration can also go to the Mawpadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we are in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied.